Hello, I am Hemant Sharma. I have been investing in stock markets for past 3 years and got involved in trading for the past 1 year. Past 2 days I have attended this workshop on influence trading conducted by Mr. Ashish Kelkar of Kiran, Jadhav and Associates. During this workshop we gathered a lot of insights on using past data as well as live market charts in identifying trading opportunities and executing them, and above all in the discipline that is required for a trader to be successful in stock markets. The workshop provided me pretty useful insights, and I'm sure this is going to help me a lot as I progress further in my trading. I would like to thank Mr. Ashish Kelkar of Kiran, Jadhav and Associates for the passion with which he delivered this workshop.
Thank you.